Racism has been a long-standing problem in society for a number of years and still affects all walks of life today, including sport and therefore including football. Today we're here at the Bet365 Stadium with Show Racism the Red Card as we look to educate young people across Stoke-on-Trent.
My role involves working with football clubs across the country. We do about 50 educational events every season. Clubs up and down the country, working with young people, getting them to explore racism, talk about what racism looks like, and more importantly, what we can do. They say what they should do, more importantly, what they should do if they were ever to come across racism. It's really important that they report it, that they tell someone that they can trust, and it'll be taken seriously and something will be done about it. Equally, if they don't, there's a danger it could always get worse. The kids take a lot from the day, they learn a lot. They tend to take the messages back to their schools and interact with their schoolmates and their friends. They take it home, speak to their parents and their siblings about it. And meeting with the footballers, having that really positive anti-racism message from the players, it really does have a big impact.
I have to say, the reason that I got involved in this is because I kind of normalised it. I was the only black family at my primary school, secondary school. And it was something that I got most days, racially abused. The reason that I got involved was Jed Greby, who's obviously the chair, the CEO of the company. He asked me to come along to the House of Parliament, and the educational video that they put on really blew my mind. And I've got 3 daughters, as you know, and they don't see colour because that's the way that I brought them up. But have I prepared them for when they're in someone's company who's uneducated, who's ignorant, that sees the colour and gives them abuse? And I haven't. So I've kind of opened up and I've told them a little bit of the experiences that I've had growing up. And even in football, that I have been racially abused in certain games that stick in your mind. And this is what I do for Show Racism the Red Card. As an ambassador, I'll go around to universities, I do talks, tell them of my stories, my experiences, but also I help as much as possible with the educating of children, because it's the next generation, and that's like, even my daughters come home every day and they can teach you something new. So these kids today can go home and they can implement little things in their parents' life. I used to go with the mindset that it's part and parcel of football, but no, it's not. I think it's wrong. I think there's definitely some big characters, big football players with great brands that can definitely influence. The likes of Raheem Sterling coming out, I think he's been one of the main ones who's brought awareness to it, and that's what it is. It goes a lot deeper than football. It's definitely society, but the only way we can deal with that is educating. I think the more people now are jumping on board and with these workshops, and we're trying to going into the workplaces and educating in that way. I think that's important, but like I say, we're a long way away from eradicating it altogether. Any step in the right direction is definitely a step, Like I say, there's a big job. The more people that we can get on board and get involved, and that's all about creating awareness about what the problem is. And like you say, but education is the key. A lot of other football clubs are getting on board as well and moving forward. But like you say, Stoke City are firmly behind this project.
We're supporting Wear Red Day on Friday the 18th of October with Show Racism the Red Card. To find out more, head online to theredcard.org.